let me tell you this. You haven't tasted mac and cheese until you have tasted it with fresh noodles. Isn't that beautiful?
Little macaronis.
That is gorgeous. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go right into the water. That's been salted. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start our mac and cheese. I use a combination of milk and a little bit of whipping cream to give it a little bit of richness.
Very nice.
Thank you. We're gonna add our mild cheddar, our sharp cheddar, and I'm gonna add a little bit of mozzarella cheese as well.
Beautiful.
And we're gonna begin to start mixing that cheese.
Nice, ooey gooey cheese sauce.
So now we're gonna add the macaroni in there and watch how this magic is gonna start to work.
Yeah.
That noodle is absorbing, right, that cheese sauce. Exactly. Okay, and watch this. Spoon.
Look at that. This was quicker than making a box macaroni and cheese.
I'm gonna let you do the honors first, my friend.
All right,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Homemade mac and cheese.
This is fantastic.
It's unbelievable. Look at how many audience members out there are drooling.